Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to join the Wombo Dream server on Discord. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already logged into my account? In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to join the Wombo Dream server. Initially, I'm just gonna stay on the home tab, and at the very top, right next to discover, you will see the Discord icon. Simply click on it. And then from here, you will be redirected to a new page like this. Now from here, as you can see, you have been invited to join Womboverse. Simply click on accept invite and just follow the prompts. And then finally, you will have joined the Wombo Dream server on Discord. And guys, that's about it. That's how we join Wombo Dream on Discord. It's quite easy. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.